Don't let anyone tell you what you need to do. You do what you believe is right for you to do. So option number one that we always ask people, and I just made this upgrade on my website, where it'll ask you, do you want to fight the case to have a potential, or do you want to just settle and avoid court altogether? Those two are your choices. Now, I'll run down when you choose to fight, and even if you do lose, you have a chance to settle. If you choose to settle, you give up your opportunity to fight. So there's the give and take is like a young lady, California, sued for $9,600 and some change. She does not want to go to court. When I was speaking to her, single mom, has a job, can't afford to pay the $9,600, but does not want to go to court. So I said, okay, we can help you settle this debt for less. And she said, well, what if I don't want to pay anything? I said, well, then you have to fight the case. Well, she said, I don't want to fight the case. I don't want to go to court. Well, when you say you don't want to go to court, that means that you got to settle before you got to go to court. So which one do you feel that you want to do? Because you're not going to do anything that you're forced into doing, and we don't force people into doing anything. We ask the question, which one do you feel like doing? Do you feel like, and this is all you have to do with someone's master, this is all you got to do when we do the response, is you got to sign, date, file it. Send a copy to the plaintiff attorney. Now, there's some people have asked, why don't we do the filing? Because we've really went through this before. And just last week, one of our clients, we said, file your documents. When they went to court to file their documents, they found out that the debt collector had hidden certain documents from being sent to them. They would have never known that if they did an electronic filing. They would have been behind the 8 ball in the case, instead of being proactive and knowing what's sitting there in that court file system. So by being proactive, yeah, it takes a little bit, but I know how these debt collectors work. We always talk debt collectors are crooked, snakes. Everybody describe them all these different ways, but then they try to take the easy way out and not file it, or they use one of these services, so-called services that are supposed to be helping you with your lawsuit, but all they're doing is denying everything. So yes, if you're gonna work with us, if you don't want to go down and file it, then we're not the company for you, because what we do is we want you to know what's going on through the whole process. But if you don't want to go and do that, because a lot of people don't want to do that because they just have a fear of being in court, then you might need to go over to option 2. Option 2 is to settle the debt